Good afternoon, this is Jan. Today we'll be visiting Chocolate Nation, that is the Belgian Chocolate Experience. So what I just understood from the audio tour is that one cacao bean is sufficient for one chocolate bar, and that cacao is a very complex product. And after a couple of minutes, it's time for my favorite part of the tour, the tasting. I start with the white chocolate. It's kind of sweet. Just how it's supposed to be. And this one is called Ruby. Not quite my taste, a little sour. Number 3 is called Gold. Now that is nice, it is complex. Some other one. That is a pure chocolate. And over here we got the more exclusive flavors. This one is called Madagascar, which probably means that it's from the country of Madagascar. This is a mix of pure chocolate with some other stuff. Well, yeah, that has an intense flavor. From Antwerpen. Some fruit, tropical fruits on the background. That's interesting. Well, that was a nice and flavorful experience. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. And remember, keep enjoying your chocolate, like I do.